Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 22nd, 2024, and we're diving into the third quarter earnings report of Empire State Realty Trust, a leading NYC-focused REIT. Joining us is John, our Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Empire State Realty Trust, known for its iconic Empire State Building, has just released its Q3 2024 results. It's an exciting time to analyze their performance and strategic moves.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financial highlights. Empire State Realty Trust reported a net income of 8 cents per share and core funds from operations of 26 per share. John, how does this compare to last year?
Empire State Realty Trust has shown a slight improvement in its core FFO, up from 0.25 cents per share in Q3 2023. The total revenues increased to $199.6 million, driven by a 5.6% year-over-year increase in the observatory's net operating income, which reached $29.7 million. This indicates a strong performance in their flagship asset.
That's impressive. What factors contributed to this growth?
The growth is primarily due to increased revenues from cash rent commencements and a net increase from non-recurring revenue items. Additionally, the Empire State Building Observatory continues to be a major attraction, contributing significantly to their income.
Leasing and occupancy. Moving on to leasing and occupancy, Empire State Realty Trust signed approximately 304,000 rentable square feet of leases. How is their leasing activity shaping up, John?
The company has maintained a strong leasing momentum, with a total commercial portfolio leased rate of 93.0% and Manhattan office occupancy at 89.2%. This is a positive sign, especially with 13 consecutive quarters of positive leasing spreads, currently at 2.6%.
What does this mean for their future prospects?
It suggests a stable demand for their properties, particularly in Manhattan. The ability to sign new and renewal leases at higher rates indicates a healthy market position and tenant confidence in their properties.
Strategic acquisitions and liquidity. Empire State Realty Trust has been active in acquisitions. Can you tell us more about their recent strategic moves?
Absolutely. They closed on $143 million of a $195 million retail acquisition in Williamsburg, Brooklyn, and have entered an agreement to acquire an additional retail asset for $30 million. These acquisitions align with their strategy to focus on high-quality NYC assets.
How does their liquidity position support these acquisitions?
With over $0.9 billion in liquidity and no floating rate debt exposure, Empire State Realty Trust is well-positioned to fund these acquisitions and manage their debt efficiently. This financial flexibility is crucial for executing their growth strategy.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, Empire State Realty Trust has raised its 2024 FFO guidance. What are the key drivers behind this optimistic outlook?
The raised guidance reflects their confidence in continued positive revenue growth and stable occupancy rates. They expect commercial occupancy to be between 88% and 89% by year-end, and observatory NOI is projected to be between 96 million and 100 millioners.
What risks should investors be aware of?
While the outlook is positive, potential risks include changes in office space demand due to remote work trends and economic uncertainties. However, their strategic focus on prime NYC assets and strong liquidity position mitigate some of these risks.
Key takeaways. In summary, Empire State Realty Trust has delivered a solid performance in Q3 2024 with strong leasing activity and strategic acquisitions. Their raised guidance for 2024 further underscores their growth potential. John, any final thoughts?
Empire State Realty Trust is well-positioned for future growth thanks to its strategic focus and robust financial health. Investors should keep an eye on their execution of upcoming acquisitions and market conditions.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Empire State Realty Trust's performance in the comments below.